an importation of this kind of behavior, or is it all absolutely localized with the people fighting for positions within the local sphere, or is there a pattern that is spreading and perhaps even nationwide?
You know, what we have seen in KwaZulu-Natal is that, the political killings was very rife. And there the South African Police Service, under the leadership of Lieutenant General Mkonazi, established a PKTT, the Political Killing Task Team. Now, on face value, it appears that they are really successful in tracking down the shooters. However, to only focus on the shooters and not those who actually gave the instructions, the architects of the killings,
yes,
is not going to solve the problem. So it's not only the arrest of the runners or the killers. They must follow the money and they must follow the communication in order to get to the real kingpins and the people responsible for these killings.
All right. We are out of time, unfortunately, but we appreciate you making time for us this morning. Dr. Leonard Max, former Western Cape Police Commissioner, looking at the latest in killings of a police officer and the broader discussion around political killings in the country.